Hi, today I have written a document here. My instructor name is Gautam. My name is Krishna Reddy. This is my ID. We are covering the homework 3, and this is the part A. This is the part B, and here I have given the part C code. We will be covering all these points, and part A, part B, and part C. So let's quickly jump into the code. So let me close this. Yeah. So here's the code explanation. I have given all the points. So this is my constructor class. This is my destructor class, and yeah, I have this is my search query function, and this is my insert query function. Okay. So here from the insert query function, so what we are actually doing is, yeah, we are actually doing is from this function, from this query, we are reading the file. We are reading the file path, and what we are doing is then we are from the given file path, and when we are reading the end of the subsequence and inserting into the hash table. Okay. So once we are doing this, we are writing a boolean query ht function where we are checking the value is true or false. So if the value is true, we have to increase the number of collision. If false, if we so here if we exit the hash table, we are returning the true value. And here we are using the linked list concept. So here we are using the linked list concept, where we are keeping the node 1 address to the node 2. And next we are using a get hash function. So get hash function. So here what we are doing is, here we are taking a random string to the left shift operator, and we are generating a random key values, and we are creating a hash table for this function. Okay. And the search string, we are doing the search function to generate the sequence. And if it checks like if present, if existing node, if it is not present, it will return the false. And here also we are doing a string comparison to check the collision in this function. So here we are if there is no data, then it will enter the value. So in the constructor and the destructor, yeah. And this is my main.cpp file. So in this part A, what I'm doing is, exactly is, we are invoking the constructor class, and we are printing the number of collisions here, and we are writing this whole part. And here we are starting the timer, and here we are starting the timer, and we are ending the timer as well, to print how much value it took. And in the part B, what we are doing is, from the given data search, we are searching from the subject file, and we are reading the sequence of human genome, all these functions, all this in the search function. This search function internally calls the h2 query, and it has to do like plus plus operator. And in part C, if you go to the part C, um, here we have given like what kind of data structure we have used in the code. So here the data structure we have used in the code is the hash table and the linked list. The linked list, if you get a collision here, we are resolving it. So the linked list collision, if we get a collision, we are pointing from one node, we are attaching one from one node to another. And here the algorithm here we have implemented is the hash table and the hash function. And we have the list because we are using the linked list because we have a new node at the top. And what is the highlights of this optimization is, optimization can be optimization we used it to reduce the number of collisions. So how do we use the number of collisions? So this is my part B code, and this is my part A code. And yeah, this is my this code. Yeah, this is my query issue dot function, and I have written everything in the document. I have written a clear explanation. I have put the outputs of all these outcomes. So that there's so I have to upload this document in the recording section. Thank you so much.